Hi, I'm Michael Gregory. I'm working the wine harvest in Corsica, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate Archimedes' principle by showing you how to make a homemade hydrometer. Hydrometers are one of the winemaker's most useful tools during the harvest because they measure density, and the density can tell you the sugar content when juice is first extracted from grapes, as well as the alcohol content as yeast converts the sugars to alcohol during fermentation. To make your own hydrometer at home, all you need is 2 bottles of different sizes, a measuring tape or ruler, a knife or scissors to cut, and a marker or some kind of writing tool. Now I'm going to head inside, do a couple of calculations, and make my hydrometer. Now I'm inside and ready to assemble my hydrometer. But first, so no one accuses me of not including enough physics in this video, here's a physical law, a diagram, an equation with Greek letters, subscript, and an equality with a variable that cancels out. And here we have a formula to calibrate my hydrometer. And according to my calculations, I'm going to want my first mark on this size bottle to be 10 centimeters from the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark a big one there, and that's going to be my 0. And after 5 minutes or so of assembly, now that this is assembled, I'm going to head down to the cellar to test it out on some grape juice and wine. But first, and now it's time to get some grapes. Now I'm in the cellar of Antoine Marie Arena, who's serving me wine from a vat where it's been fermenting for a couple of days. It doesn't show up so well on camera, but the hydrometer floated just above the 1 line, indicating a density of about 1.02, which indicates that a lot of the sugar has already been converted to ethanol. Next, I'm going to test some grape juice that's been extracted earlier that day and is barely fermented. The hydrometer sits a lot higher. I estimated a sugar content of about 12%. Now Antoine Marie is checking it with a professional hydrometer, and he finds the sugar content to be 13.2%. Thanks for watching. I hope you tried this experiment out at home. I'd like to say a big thank you to the whole Arena family and everyone who's welcomed me here in Corsica at the wine harvest.